All right, what's going on, everyone? Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do the stomach. Okay. There's not a whole lot of room in my studio, but we'll make it work. Okay, so I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do the stomach from a sitting down position. It's what it is. It's the connection of hip, stomach, okay, to hip, okay, and you're going to be pushing off at certain points. Okay, so we're going to come up from more of this kind of position, right foot out, left foot out, whatever. Okay, and what you're going to do is connect that hip to the ground. What was me kind of position. Okay, from here you're going to aim to arch your back, try to connect with your stomach all the way down to the ground. Here, boom, this kind of position. Cool. So it's almost like I don't know what to call this, flopping mermaid. Okay, from here you're gonna push up. Actually, I have this up as well down here. Okay, so when I come here, boom, I actually have this here, so I can use this to push up and push up. Okay, so but before I do that, I go here, stomach, left hip. Okay, hopefully this doesn't mess up my audio. Left hip. That way I'm having this kind of motion. Push up, push, catch. Okay, whew. Let's try that again. So from here, you're gonna start from this position. All right, so you're gonna start from this position. Okay, left foot down, right foot down, doesn't matter. One foot's out. Okay, you're gonna make contact with your hip, stomach, hip, push up, catch. Okay, so we're gonna kind of sit. That's the first contact. This is 2, so we're giving it counts. Okay, 3, switch off. Okay, you're on your stomach at this point, obviously, stomach. And from here, you're gonna go all the way to this side. You're gonna go to the other hip. You see me twisting at this point. You're gonna push up and catch to the starting position. Up, boom. Okay, you go into this position again. Not again, but you go into this side plank position to catch. Your right foot, right hand. You can put both feet down right now, both your feet down right now, so you guys can keep it easy. But you're gonna repeat it again. Drop, stomach. Okay, switch to your left foot. Come back, hip. Okay, I'm not gonna try to move up too much. I'm gonna get out of shot. Okay, push up. Okay, I'm gonna back up real quick. So let's try to add some counts to it so it kind of makes sense. Okay, this is one of my favorite moves because it looks so like cool going across stage like that. Go from here. You're gonna go 1, 2, stomach on 2, 3, jump up, 4. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. So let's try it a little faster. It's essentially the same motion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You just got to make sure you hit this plank point, hip point, stomach point, switch point, and the hip point, and push up with this foot and this foot, okay, as hard as you can, boom, boom, to get up into this position, then repeat it, boom. Cool? So I'm going to do 2, because I think that's all I can really fit in my studio, so I'm going to do 2 as a demo for you guys. Let me just tie my shoe real quick. Starting from here, let's try to do 2. Try 2, because that's all I can really fit. Nice tight shoes. Studio is a little hot because my AC is off, so I can make sure I get good quality audio. 2, okay? My thing just fell again. 2 of them, okay? 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, that's all I can fit. It takes 4 counts for the move. Then eventually with the music you can go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. I'm going to do a fast version with you guys, and then we'll close it out. I think that gives you a general idea. Make sure your hands are just catching you the whole time and just pushing you. Okay, it's the hip and leg positions that really matter. Okay, so let's go for 2 really fast ones. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's it for stomach. I think I'm out of focus. All right, so that's it for today's tutorial on how to do the stomach. Hope you guys utilize it because it's a really, really, really badass move. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. If you guys got any questions, feel free to hit me up. You guys know what to do. And that's it. If you guys got any requests, let me know about that too. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.